Hello everybody. Today the theme of the lesson will be the universe. And today we will talk about celestial bodies. Now open your student's book on page 112. Exercise 1A. Listen and say. Then read the dictionary entries. There are definitions of the word celestial bodies. Now listen and repeat.
Planet.
Planet is a large round object in space that moves around the star. For example, the Earth.
Asteroid.
Asteroid, a small celestial body that moves around the Sun mainly between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter.
Comet.
Comet, a bright object with a long tail that travels around the Sun.
Galaxy.
Galaxy is a large group of stars and planets that extends over many billions of light years.
Star.
Star is a large ball of burning gas in space.
Meteor.
Meteor is a small mass traveling through space.
Moon.
Moon, any planet's natural satellite. You know what is it, moon, yes?
Constellation.
Constellation, a group of stars that form a pattern and are named after it. Also, you can watch constellation in the sky at night. Okay, now let's continue. And the first of all, let's get introduced with new vocabulary according to our theme. Listen and repeat, then write down in your dictionaries.
Collapse,
Contraction.
countless, endless,
Eternally.
expand,
Expansion.
exist, explode,
Hypothesis.
infinite,
Logically.
motivation,
Prior. Startling discovery. Trillion. Widely accepted.
Okay, there are all words according to our theme. Now, can you name the planets in our solar system? Please name them. For example, the Earth, yes, it's our planet. Mercury, what else? Mars. And now listen and check.
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Okay, there are 8 planets from our solar system and also the Sun, it is big Sun, and Moon, you know about them. Now, the next exercise 2. Now we'll read about the universe, how did it all begin, and what do you know about the origins of the universe? Universe, it's our world, it's our galaxy, and how it appeared. And also you can heard about it in, for example, biology or geography. Now,
The origin of the universe began with the Big Bang nearly 14 billion years ago when the universe started expanding.
what would you like to know about it? I think you would like about uh, origin of universe. Now, exercise 2, the text, how did it all begin? And now, let's get introduced with the theory of origins of our planet and our universe. Now, listen and read it.
How did it all begin? Throughout history, mankind has wondered about the origin of the universe. Has it existed eternally with no beginning or end? Or was it created at some point in time? Physicists still can't say for certain how the universe came to exist or why it exists, but they have several theories. The Big Bang Theory. Before the 20th century, people believed that the universe had existed forever and had looked the same way forever. But in 1929, astronomers made a startling discovery. Looking through their telescopes, they noticed that the galaxies in our universe are actually moving away from each other at enormous speed. Our universe is expanding. If our universe is expanding, then logically at some point in the past, the entire universe was contained in a single point in space. The Big Bang Theory states that about 14 billion years ago, our universe exploded out of nowhere from a single point, and it has been expanding ever since to form the universe we know today. Our universe, in other words, has not existed forever. It had a definite beginning. Before our universe came into existence, there was nothing. No time, space, matter, energy. Nothing. The Big Bang created time, space, and matter. The Big Bang Theory is currently the most widely accepted hypothesis for the origin of the universe. However, it still leaves many questions unanswered. For instance, it doesn't explain why the Big Bang happened in the first place. The Cyclical Universe Theory. The Cyclical Universe Theory addresses the question, what caused the Big Bang? The answer it gives is the collapse and expansion of a prior universe. According to the Cyclical Universe Theory, our universe began when another universe collapsed violently into a single point, then exploded out again. Trillions of years from now, our own universe will stop expanding and begin to contract. Eventually, it will also collapse into a single point and explode out again, giving rise to a new universe. Our universe is therefore just the latest in an endless series. Countless universes have preceded this universe, and countless others will follow it. Space and time had no beginning. Cycles of expansion, contraction, collapse, and explosion have been going on forever. The Multiple Universe Theory. According to the Multiple Universe Theory, what we have been calling the universe is actually nothing like we thought. It is just a single bubble in an infinite number of universes. We are actually living in a multiverse consisting of trillions of universes. The multiverse has existed forever, and each universe in it is different. The main motivation behind the Multiple Universe Theory is to provide an explanation as to why our universe seems to be so perfectly suited towards supporting life. For many people, this fact demands an explanation. They feel it is too much of a coincidence that the conditions in our universe just happen to be right to make life possible. The Multiple Universe Theory states that there is nothing mysterious about this. There are trillions upon trillions of universes in the multiverse, and therefore at least a few of them will have conditions that make life possible. We simply happen to be living in one of these universes.